Now we're going to start practicing how to count up our coins. So when we count our coins, we start with the coins that have the largest value first, and then we work our way down. So the coins have the largest value are quarters, and they are 25 cents each. Then we move down to our dimes, which are 10 cents each, so we skip count by tens. Then we go to our nickels, which are 5 cents each, so we skip count by fives. And then we go to our pennies, which are 1 cent each. So let's go ahead and look at an example of this. So take a look at the example. You can see the coins are already lined up in value. We have our quarter first. There's 1 quarter, which is 25 cents. Then we have 1 dime. Then we have 2 pennies and, 2 nickels and then a penny. So we start with our quarter, which is 25 cents. Our dime is 10 cents, so we add 10. And you can see down here underneath, they've just started counting up. So 25, 10 more takes us to 35. And then we look at our nickels. A nickel's 5 cents, so 35, 5 more than that is 40. And then another 5 more is 45. Our penny is only 1 cent, so we count up to 46. So you can see down here on the bottom, what we have done is skip counted 25, 35, 40, 45, 46, and it all depends on which coins we have. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples and figure out the coin amounts. Now, you should have a pen or a pencil and some paper, and you can be trying to figure these out as we go along. You can pause the video at any time. All right, so in our piggy bank, we have 1 quarter, 2 quarters, and then a dime. I'm going to write the amounts above just to help me remember. So we have a quarter, which is 25, another quarter is 25, and a dime is 10. So at the bottom now, I'm going to do my skip counting. We start with 25. We go up 25 more. 2 25s is 50. That's going to be really important for you to remember that. Then we have our dime. That's only 10 more. And so we get 60 cents. I'm going to type that right over here in my little box. So you can see our piggy bank has 60 cents. Let's go ahead and try another one. Let's see how much money is in my purse this time. Okay, we have 2 quarters. Those are 25 cents each. We have a dime, which is 10 cents. Another dime is 10 cents. A penny is 1 and another penny is 1. So I just wrote those amounts on there to help you remember what they are. I'm going to go ahead and erase those now. And I'm just going to use my pen this time to show the counting up. So we start with a quarter, which is 25. Another quarter will take us to, remember, 50. A dime is 10, so we go up 10, that's 60. Another 10 is 70. And then we have our pennies, which are 1, 71 and 72. So we didn't have any nickels in that one. So for this one, we have 72 cents. I'm going to write it in words that time and make that a little bit smaller so I can actually see that word the right way so it's not spelled funny. 72 cents. There we go. I'll move it up a little bit so it's in my box. So 72 cents. All right, let's take a look at the piggy bank. Go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to try to figure out how much money is in this piggy bank. We have a quarter, 2 dimes, and a penny. All right, let's see if we got the same amount. My quarter is 25. A dime is 10, so we go up 10 more, so that's 35. Another dime is 10 more than that, that's 45. And then my penny is only 1 cent, and so that takes me up to 46 cents. Did you get 46 cents? Awesome job. All right, we have a couple more. This time, we have to figure out what coins we would need. So we're still going to be skip counting, and we're going to skip count our way up to find out what coins we need. And we're going to start with the highest value coins first. So we need 72 cents to buy this jam. So we're going to start with quarters. 1 quarter is how much? 25. Good. So now let's see. Let's try another quarter. 2 quarters is going to be 50. So we're still good there. What if we go a 3rd quarter? Do you know how much 3 quarters are? 75 cents. Uh-oh, something doesn't look right there because my jam only costs 72 cents. So we don't need a third quarter. So let's get rid of that quarter. Bye-bye, quarter. All right, so now we have our 50 cents. Let's start adding in dimes. So if I do one dime, that's 10. That'll take me to 60. We got to keep going. Got to get to 72. Another dime is going to be another 10. That's 70. Ooh, I look like we're almost there because I need 72. So I know I don't want another dime. That would take me to 80. That's too much. And a nickel would take me to 75. That's too much. So let's go ahead now and start with our pennies. So 1 penny would be 71. And then a second penny would take me to 72 cents. So to get 72 cents, I need 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 2 pennies. Now that's the way to find it with the least number of coins possible. There are other coin combinations that would give you 72 cents. All right, let's try one more. Go ahead and try this one. You need to get 36 cents. So on your paper, write down what coins you would use to make 36 cents. All right, I'm going to use our strategy of starting with the highest value coin first. So I'm going to start with a quarter, and we know a quarter is 25 cents. Another quarter would be too much, that's 50, so I don't want another quarter. Let's try a dime. If I put a dime in there, that's 10 cents, that's 35 cents. Oh my goodness, I'm almost there. I need to get to 36 cents, so I'm going to grab, oops, come on, penny, here we go. There's a penny. And that takes us up to 36 cents. So to make 36 cents, I would use a quarter, a dime, and a penny. So go ahead now back to your slides and try some on your own.